this stretch by leaning forward with your chest. Reach for those toes. Make sure to engage your abs. Breathe easily and hold the stretch for about 10 seconds. Cross one leg over the other. Plant your elbow against the knee and rotate the upper body away from the knee. Keep your chest up and hold the stretch for 5 seconds and switch legs. With this stretch, keep your chest up, abs engaged, and lean forward with your hips. Make sure your knee does not go past your toe. Hold the stretch for about 5 to 10 seconds and then switch legs. Extend your leg out, heel planted on the ground, and reach for those toes. Make sure you engage your core. Keep your knees soft. Hold the stretch for about 5 seconds and switch legs. Pressing through your palms, slowly lift up your upper body. Head up, chin up. Hold the stretch for about 5 seconds while engaging that core, and repeat 5 times. Interlock fingers behind your head. Keep your chin close to your chest so you don't put any stress on your neck. Your abdominals are engaged the entire exercise. Elbow to opposite knee. Exhale on your exertions. Do 25 reps, 3 sets. This exercise is focused on the obliques. Elevate your legs off the ground to increase the intensity. I'm using a 5-pound weighted ball and twisting and tapping on each side. Keep your head and chest up. Exhale on your twist. For a modified version of this exercise, keep your feet on the ground. You can also substitute the ball with a dumbbell or use no weight at all. Do 25 reps, 3 sets. Begin with your hands just outside shoulder width, knees aligned with your hips. Engage your core and keep your spine in a neutral position. Inhale, bend your elbows and lower the chest. Exhale, push up. Do 10 repetitions, 3 sets. Time to wrap your workout with some cardio. Always make sure your laces are secure. Time your run for 10 minutes and smile. Set your tone with positivity, strength, and confidence. Because where the mind is, the body will follow. Happy trails!